today we'll be making a new videos. I'm making a red velvet cakes today. This, and I've already made this. This here I kept it in a cooling rack. It's too soft. Soft Valentine ihatamlet. Get goes in. Oh. It's hard. Okay, I see. Now it's time to demold our cakes from the baking tins. You need to be very careful while you are doing this. It's too soft. So far, it's really quite connected. So I'm using this. So we need to get this in the cooling rack. I think this too is already done. This is the cream cheese which I'm going to use. Cream cheese ang hutam piumin company asa sa atong chumang. But I prefer this to heat. Duwi sa pen nakin. Nahon ipi duwi sa pen di hambang hipon, but according to me, this cream cheese is the best. Cream cheese batter. Make sure that there is no lumps. Now it's time for frosting our cakes. After frosting, we will do the decorating part. And now we have done the icing part, so we're going to decorate it by using 1M nozzles. While you do decoration using your nozzles, make sure that your cream is at a stiff bake so that it will be easy to decorate it properly and the design will come out so smoothly. Mine, it's a little bit runny, so it's difficult to handle it and the design doesn't come out properly as I want it to be. And finally, ta-da, it's done. And here it is, our final decorations for our cake. Thank you for watching.